First of all, before you start fitting your lever handles, you need to ensure that the latch that you've got in your door comes with the appropriate holes for the bolt-through fixings. If not, these are available here as part of our latch sets. Take the latch and fit it into the door, ensuring that the latch bolt itself is correctly orientated for the hand of your door, and then screw it in. Next, take the spindle and place it into the latch, roughly halfway. You will notice on the spindle that there is a hole. This is for the grub screw, which is on these particular levers, placed at the bottom of the lever, to pierce through the spindle to give you another good fixing point. Take the lever and, holding the spindle, place the lever over the spindle and push it on. Take your Allen key and tighten up the lever so it's holding the spindle firm. For this demonstration we're using our duckbill lever, which is one of our most popular models. With the lever in place, you can now mark with a pencil the 2 bolt-through fixing holes. Remove the lever and the spindle combination in one go. You can now drill your door for the 2 bolt-through fixing holes, which I've already pre-done here. You can take your lever and spindle and place it back into the latch bolt. Take your other lever and place it on the other side of the door, pushing it onto the spindle. Now take your bolt-through fixing kit, which comes with the levers. Place it through the door and put on the other side, bolting the 2 halves of the lever sets together. Now take the second bolt through fixing and feed it through your handle. This can be a little bit fiddly. And now tighten up both bolt through fixings and ensure that the levers are securely attached to the door. Next, take the screws that come with the kit and place them into the top and bottom screw hole. This allows the lever to be held firmly in position on the door, whilst the bolt through fixings hold the lever so that it doesn't come off the door. Take your Allen key and finally adjust the grub screw underneath the lever handle, and you will feel it go very stiff, and then all of a sudden it'll go very loose. That means that you've pierced the hole that's in the spindle, and just continue to do that up until it becomes reasonably firm. Final thing to do is to take the rose cover, slip it over the end of the lever handles, push it on and clip into place. And there you have assembled your lever furniture.